friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I'm Meghna. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a butterfly by paper folding. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this, we will take a origami sheet of paper. You can see I've taken this blue one. Okay, so let's get started. Butterflies with numerous colors on a larger sheet of paper. For more fun-based activity learning, please subscribe Orange Blast, and you can also follow Orange Blast on Instagram. Thank you.